to another Enginetuner video. We've got a treat for you today. We've got a rare Spec C JDM hatch where we've got some tasty upgrades going on. So if you follow along with us, we'll go and we'll install the tasty upgrades, which are RCM oil cooler kit along with RCM breather catch tank kit. We've got some DEFI gauges going in. We've got a sport cap going in, some TGV deletes and an induction kit. So join us for the ride and we'll head off into the workshop. Now we've got the intake manifold off the Spec C. We can strip the manifold down and replace the restrictive turbo intake hose for the new one. While we're there, we'll fit some new TGV housings to spruce this engine up a little bit. We're also going to fit a Roger Clark air oil separator catch tank kit. So while the intake manifold's off, it gives us the opportunity to run the hoses where we need to, nice and tidy, fit and forget. Fast forward now and join us in the future where we have the car on the ramp. We put the intake manifold back on with its parent intake hose. We've also got an induction kit fitted. We've made a start on wiring some gauges, so we've got some pressure sensors fitted. And we're making a start on the oil cooler install. So the cooler is loosely mounted and we'll start running some pipes. But first we need to put the car up in the air and get on with some of the bits from underneath. Concludes the upgrades for the Spec C for now. There are other plans afoot which we will get onto later on. We're going to end the video there for this one, but please make sure to tune in for the next video where you can see it on the dyno and you can follow us along for the tuning process of that one. Please remember to like and subscribe our videos, and we'll see you on the next one.